We are still on our GST 123 Introduction to French. This is study session number 7. We are going to discuss adverb. My name still remains Professor ADEGBO Tunde John. Contents: definition of adverbs, formation of adverbs in French language, identification of adverbs that are not formed from adjectives, recognition of adverbs that have no link with adjective, identification of adverbs of time, other classification of adverbs. Qu'est-ce qu'un adverbe? What is an adverb? Qu'est-ce qu'un adverbe? What is an adverb? Un adverbe est un mot ou une expression qui modifie un verbe, un adjectif, un autre verbe, un déterminant, une phrase ou une préposition. Un adverbe est utilisé pour fournir ou décrire la manière dont une chose est faite. Par exemple, nous avons bien, extrêmement, parfois, avant, auparavant, non, pas, non, jamais, comme des exemples d'adverbes français. Let me say what I've just said in French in English. An adverb is a word or an expression that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a determinant, a sentence, or a preposition. An adverb is used to provide or describe the way something is done. For instance, we have bien, which is well, extrêmement, extremely, parfois, sometimes, avant, before, auparavant, in the olden days, non pas, not, no, jamais, never, as examples of adverbs in French. Formation de l'adverbe, formation of adverb. Formation of adverb. The most popular way of forming adverb is by adding man to the masculine form of an adjective. Examples: masculine adjective lent, feminine adjective lente. Look at the E that we have added. Then we have added, to form an adverb from this adjective now, we have lentement. We have added man to the feminine form of lent. Lent. Oro. The feminine form is rose. Then the adverb is heureusement. Joyeux. The feminine form is joyeuse. The adverb is joyeusement. Doux. The feminine form is douce. The adverb from douce is doucement. Net. The feminine form is net. The adverb is nettement. Nettement. Régulier. The feminine form is régulière. Then the adverb is régulièrement. 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 Now, let me tell us what I've just explained in English. Masculine adjective is lent, meaning slow. Slow. Lent also means slow in English. And adverb from it is lentement, which is slowly. Heureux, happy. Heureuse is the feminine form, and heureusement, that is happily, describing how person is happy. Joyeux, joyeuse, joyeux, joyeuse, joyeusement. Doux, joyeux means joyous. Doux, soft. Douce, it also means soft. Doucement, that is softly. Net, neat. Net, it also means neat. Nettement, neatly. Régulier, régulière. Then it means régulier. We form régulièrement from régulière. Now, others with same masculine and feminine form. There are some adjectives. We have adjectives whose masculine and feminine forms are same. In this case, we still have to add the suffix "mo" to form their adverbs. Here are some examples. Masculine adjective, feminine adjective, then adverb. Look at the subheadings up. Trist. Trist, the same form in masculine and feminine. Then the adverb there is tristement. Rapid. Rapid. Then the adverb there is rapidement. Trist means sad. Then tristement means sadly. Rapid means rapid. And rapidement means rapidly. Aveugle, blind. Aveugle, blind. Aveugle, blind. Aveuglement. Sincère, sincère. Sincèrement. Sincere it means to be sincere, and sincerely is sincèrement. Formation of adverbs with acute accents. We have adverbs that are formed with acute accents. Now, we have adjectives whose ends "e" are mute, especially in feminine forms. We have to add acute accent on letter "e" before putting "mo." Here are some examples. It's only when we have acute accent that will give us the meaning of adverb. The adverb in French. Énorme. That is enormous. Énorme. The same form in feminine, in masculine and feminine. Énormément means enormously. Intense. 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 Intensément, intensely. Précis. Précis. Précisément. Look at the acute accents we are adding before we had "mo." Profond. Profond. Profondément. Adverbs that do not have link with adjectives. We have some adverbs that do not have links with adjectives. Some adverbs have distinct forms from adjectives. They do not have any etymological link with adjectives. Here are some examples. Alors, it means then. Alors, il est mon ami, for instance. Then, he is my friend. Après, that is after or afterwards. Je vais au village après l'examen. I'm going to the village after the exam. Aussi, also. Mon ami est aussi étudiant. My friend is also a student. Aussi means also. Other examples of adverbs that do not have link with their adjectives. Toujours, always. Le professeur est toujours là. The teacher is always around. Le professeur est toujours là. The teacher is always around. Tard, late. Le garçon vient très tard. The boy comes very late. Le garçon vient très tard. The boy comes very late. Vite, quickly. Vite means quickly. Les élèves agissent vite. The pupils act quickly. Les élèves agissent vite. The pupils act quickly. Là-bas or là, there. Mon village est là dans la brousse. My village is there in the bush. Adverb of quantity. As part of adverbs that have no link with adjectives, we have adverbs of quantity. Examples are beaucoup d'eau mean many. Beaucoup d'eau means many. Beaucoup d'eau must follow beaucoup to mean many. Le fermier a beaucoup de femmes. The farmer has many wives. Le fermier a beaucoup de femmes. The farmer has many wives. Plusieurs. Plusieurs, several. Il y a plusieurs hommes dans le village. Il y a plusieurs hommes dans le village. There are several men in the village. Plus de, more. Plus de means more. J'ai plus de responsabilités au bureau. J'ai plus de responsabilités au bureau. I have more responsibilities in the office. J'ai plus de responsabilités au bureau. I have more responsibilities in the office. Trop de means too much. Il y a trop de bruit dans la classe. Il y a trop de bruit dans la classe. There's too much noise in the classroom. There's too much noise in the classroom. Adverbs of negation. Like we have in English language, we also have adverbs of negation in French. Here are some examples. No plus verb plus pas. No plus verb plus pas. That means not. In order to get not in French, we have to put no and pas by the side of the verb. That is, no comes before the verb, and pas comes after the verb. Je ne lis pas. Look at it. Je ne lis pas. I am not reading. In this situation, no and pas are modifying the verb lis to mean not. No plus verb plus jamais, never, means never. No plus verbe plus jamais égale never, means never. Il n'est jamais sérieux. He is never serious. He is never serious. Il n'est jamais sérieux. In this case, no is suppressed as no n apostrophe to avoid two vowels coming together. It is used with jamais to mean never. Adverbs of negation continued. No plus verb plus point, not at all. No plus verb plus point, not at all. Il ne pense point, he doesn't think at all. Il ne pense point, he doesn't think at all. No plus verb plus pas du tout, not at all. Again. Mon oncle ne boit pas du tout. Mon oncle ne boit pas du tout. My uncle doesn't drink at all. Mon oncle ne boit pas du tout. My uncle does not drink at all. Adverb de temps, adverbs of time. There are also adverbs of time which help us to respond to questions when. Let us consider these examples. Demain means tomorrow. Demain je vais à Lagos. Tomorrow I'm going to Lagos. Aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui nous avons français. Today we have French. Here, yesterday. Here, j'ai vu mon ami. Yesterday I saw my friend. Auparavant, aujourd'hui. Auparavant, il n'y a pas d'électricité. Auparavant means in the olden days. There is no electricity. Auparavant means in the olden days. Auparavant, il n'y a pas d'électricité. In the olden days, there is no electricity. Adverbs of manner. This set of adverbs answers the question how. They give information about the way in which an action or event is carried out. Here are some examples. Example A. Ainsi, how we. C'est ainsi qu'on tient le marqueur. This is how we hold marker. C'est ainsi qu'on tient le marqueur. This is how we hold marker. Bien, well. Le directeur est bien représenté par son adjoint. Le directeur est bien représenté par son adjoint. The director was well represented by his deputy. Calmement, calmly. Calmement, calmly. Mon oncle agit calmement. My uncle acts calmly. Mon oncle agit calmement. My uncle acts calmly. Mieux, better. La tâche est mieux accomplie avec la roue. La tâche est mieux accomplie avec la roue. The task is better accomplished with the hoe. The task is better accomplished with the hoe. Other examples of adverbs of manner. E. Mal, badly. Mes idées sont mal interprétées par le secrétaire. Mes idées sont mal interprétées par le secrétaire. My ideas were badly interpreted by the secretary. Vite. Vite means quickly. Vite means quickly. Ma fille parle vite. My daughter speaks quickly. Gentiment, kindly. Mon frère marche gentiment. My brother walks kindly. Doucement, gently. La vieille femme agit, se comporte. La vieille femme se comporte doucement. La vieille femme se comporte doucement. The old man behaves gently. D'habitude, as usual. Il est là comme d'habitude. He is around as usual. Il est là comme d'habitude. He is around as usual. Assignment of the week. Define adverbs in French language. Form adverbs from selected adjectives of your choice. Give examples of 2 adverbs that are not formed from adjectives. Give examples of adverbs of time. State at least 4 adverbs of manner. Thank you and good luck.